Hey everybody, today's Tech Tuesday topic is how to use the screen recording feature on your Chromebook. Okay, here we go. We have a Chromebook in front of us.
Okay, so my assignment was to make a Google slide that compared Jackie Robinson and Megan Rapinoe on how they both led social change. So I'm going to record this without Flipgrid or Screencastify. So we're just going to go to this button beside the sign up button, screen capture, and then it's vital and critical that you put your microphone on. By default, it's off, so you're just gonna have to click on that to tap and to put it on. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to hear yourself. No one wants that. So, we covered this we covered the screen capture in an earlier video, and now we need to do the record button. So you can either drag and drop a part that you want to record if you don't want to show your tabs that are open, or you can just do a full screen record, which we're going to do now. So you just click anywhere, and then you have that 3 seconds to
go ahead and put your project in present mode. And then here you would go through your project and say whatever you need to say, and it's recording the audio. Oh, make sure the volume is on. That's another key thing when you're recording. Make sure the volume is all the way up, right? Okay, so there you go, end of the project. And now notice, how we're going to end that screen.
Now we're going to end it, and while you're recording, it's down here. So you're just going to click on that to stop it, and then you can either delete it or play it. In this case, we're just going to play it
to check.
And it's in the top. It's on the very top under downloads.
It's in your files.
It's in your files. In the downloads. So just double click on that, click twice, and then play.
We had the volume off. Okay, go ahead. So then from here, you can full screen it to view it. And then, X out of that. And then the 3 dots, go ahead and press the 3 dots to see if there's anything there. You can loop your presentation if you want to replay it, but we're not going to. And then go ahead. And then top right corner, the 3 dots up at the top. That just says open. You can open another file, and that's it. You can X out of that. Or, go back. So go up to the share button. Unfortunately, you can't share it. There's no way to share this file on the Chromebook. Go ahead and close it. But what you can do is go ahead and X out of, close the window of this. Go ahead. And so what you can do, what happens when you right click on the name of it? Yes. What you want to do is rename it. Go ahead and right click on there. There we go. You can rename it. You want to rename the recording. So right clicking. Go ahead and call it whatever you want so you know. From here, it's in your downloaded files. So from here, you can open it, you can share it via email, and that's about it. Okay? Anything else?
Nope.